Hey, welcome to the ingredient channel where I post recipes and share cooking experience every Sunday. In this video, we're making braised chicken with chestnuts. I'm also going to introduce a secret ingredient that ensures this savory and sweet dish to be very delicious. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field under the video. The main ingredients are the chestnut, the potato, the chicken, and the carrot. We're gonna chop them into small chunks. Make sure the chunks are with a similar size so that when we braise them together, they can absorb the seasonings equally. And to cut the chicken wing, how you break the bone is you can use the back of your knife, hit it really hard, and then turn it around and cut it. My knife, kitchen knife, is most of the time is my miracle tool that can be used for many different purposes. Crush it and then cut. And then we're gonna punch a few cloves of garlic in a heated pan with cooking oil. High heat, add the garlic in, stir fry, and then add the chicken wings in. Stir fry again until there's no liquid coming out of the chicken wing and the skin turns golden brown. This is gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes. And remember, you're gonna turn the heat into the high. This is also going to drive out the fat in the skin, as you see. The oil on the bottom of the pan. And now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients so they can absorb the cooking oil combined with the chicken oil, basically. The oil coming out of the fat coming out of the chicken wing. Stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until there's no more liquid coming out of either one of the ingredients. This step is very important before you add other ingredients. And add the light soy sauce. Add some salt. Stir fry again until the seasonings are evenly spread on all of the parts of the ingredients. Add the secret ingredient. What is it? It's beer. The beer is going to help strengthen the sweet and savory taste of this dish. You can add, I'm adding the entire can of beer. Any beer is fine. Then we're gonna add the chestnut. Bring all of them into a boil. No water. Keep it in mind, there is no water added here. Then we're gonna move this to a porcelain pot. If you don't have it, then or a clay pot, it's okay. 30 minutes later, we're gonna keep it simmering without the lid so that the liquid can condense. Then we're gonna add a few drop of scallion for decoration and taste. And The delicious dish is ready. You can combine this delicious dish with mantou, a cup of rice, xiaobing, all of them can form a delicious meal. Thanks for joining me. Please check out the other videos in the channel and subscribe. Thanks.